In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson EcoTank ET 2760 printer where the black ink is not working. And you can also follow it for if your color ink is not working. So it's the same method. We can see here it's only the blue color is showing up and the black color didn't print. So there are some black markings on the page but no actual printing. To fix that problem, we have to go to the printer display panel and also load A4 size paper on the rear paper tray. On the printer display panel, scroll ahead and look for the settings. Okay. Select the first option, maintenance. Scroll ahead and look for the head cleaning and press OK. Click on the start cleaning. Click on the start. So it's going to take around 3 minutes for the print head cleaning. So we can see it has done the cleaning of the nozzles, and now click on the nozzle check. So if you click on here and press OK, now it's going to print another sheet and that will confirm if our printer is working properly or not. And in case that doesn't solve the problem, then you have to do the power cleaning. And if you want to know how to do the power cleaning, you can watch my video on that. Thanks for watching. So let's see the result. We can see the print result has improved and we can see all the inks are showing up, and we can click on the main screen so there are no missing lines and press OK. So that's the automatic and the simplest way to fix your printer where the black ink or the color ink is not working. Thanks for watching.